Okay, our washer has beeped. I have not even, where is it? It's over there. I have not even opened it yet. So I'm gonna open it with you so you can get my first-hand reaction of what this smells like after using my doTERRA laundry pods, which I have loved so far. So I'm excited to see how this worked with my really stinky stuff. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, here's clothes. Let's see, those are boy gym shorts. Wow, okay. Right in the crotch. Nope, nothing. It smells absolutely divine. Oh, that one's got full of stuff. I'm gonna have to empty the dryer before I can put them in there. But it smells good. Okay, let's see. Sock. It's a boy sock. Shirt that had been like stuck and fermenting for 3 days. Absolutely no scent. Look, like I just want to put it in my face, which is not normally the case when I wash a bunch of clothes that have been fermenting for 3 days out there. So that's super underwear, super win. So good. Okay, I'm gonna empty the dryer and I'm gonna put these things in the dryer, and then I'm sitting on the laundry basket so I can be shorter for you this time. So I have the rest of the load here. I put it in half and half. Another cool tip that I learned was that if you fill your washer like clear up here, then it actually makes your clothes pill faster because they don't have as much room to move around. So I only fill it halfway now when I do it, and so it doesn't make the clothes pill as much. And I found one more of my laundry sheets. So this is an Earth Breeze fragrance-free laundry sheet, which I had switched to these a few months back. I'd done all the making of my own laundry soap and all of that before. And then I switched to these, and then doTERRA came out with these. And so I'm gonna do a test with this compared to that with my last of these laundry sheets so that you can see what happens with the same load of all the nastiness that has been soaked in there for 3 days. And I'm actually going to have to be gone for a little bit. So I'm gonna start this one when I get back so that it's not going to have extra time sitting in the washer afterwards that will mess with my timer. I want to be able to be here to make sure that I check it right as soon as it's done. Okay, see ya.